Adding contacts to your account isn't the only part of managing your contacts in Constant Contact. Good list management comes from doing things like creating new lists, deleting old ones you don't need anymore, or maybe just renaming them to be something more helpful. In this video, we'll cover exactly those three things: creating, renaming, and deleting contact lists. If you're looking for help on adding contacts or moving contacts to different lists, please check out these tutorials. With that being said, let's start with creating a new list. To do that, click Lists and then click Create List. Simply give your list a name and then click Create. With your new list created, you can add contacts to it or move contacts into it. Again, if you need help doing that, check out the tutorials specifically for that. Next, let's go over renaming lists. To rename an existing list, make sure you're on the Lists tab and find the list you want to rename. Then, click here and choose Rename. Give your list a new name and then click Save. Lastly, let's go over deleting a list. To do that, once more, make sure you're on the Lists tab and then select the list you want to delete. With your list selected, click Actions, Delete. You'll be prompted with a pop-up that wants to make sure you're not doing this by accident. Choose to either delete the list and contacts, or delete the list only. Deleting the list only will only delete the list itself. Delete the list and contacts will delete the list and the contacts on that specific list. Don't worry though, if they exist on other lists, they won't be deleted from your account. And that covers how you can create, rename, and delete lists in your Constant Contact account.